I started searching for math tutoring program like when my daughter was in fourth grade, and she joined the school. And when she was coming back, I saw that she was not having enough math practice homework. It was like they were giving it, but it was like seven, eight, problems, and she was like done in like 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, yeah, there's nothing to do. I ordered her the same book which her school is curriculum is following, but still that also like barely 15 minutes she's done, and after that, like nothing to do for the practice. How much I can also, give the sums for her to do. So I thought, no, I mean, maths is about practice. If she's not getting enough practice, how she will excel? So I started searching for a few programs. I found one very local to my home. That's a very popular one. So I enrolled her there. We took her like 3.5 months, but after that I took her out because that was like very repetitive, and she was getting bored and she doesn't want to go, and I didn't want to force her for anything, to do anything. I never force her, so I took her out. Then I my search resumed, and then I found Finster Math, and Finster Math had a trial classes. So I enrolled her, and it looks like she was really liking her. Then I enrolled her in the Thinkster. As I told you, I enrolled her to a maths learning program. She was there for 3.5 months. So there I found like they were very, very repetitive. And there, my daughter was in fourth grade, and they were giving like addition and subtraction of like two digit when she is able to do three digit of multiplications, and she started division. And she was like, Mom, just doing a kindergarten thing or first grade thing. Why are you sending me again and again? On the same practice sheet, like 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. I mean, for that she was getting really bored. So as I told you, I didn't want to force her. I took her out. Then I researched about Kingston Math. I saw reviews, and there was a free trial, so I enrolled her. So, but I saw in Thinkster that when she started doing, first of all, I think, yeah, her skill assessment test went, and she enrolled in the free trial. And according to her, how much challenge she can take, her assignment is getting unlocked. So that thing I really liked it. The kid who wants to take challenge, I mean, they cannot do the repetitive thing to the addition and subtraction. That really I liked about Pixar Maths. And there are other things like things that math have like very nice dashboard where you can see the your kid progress. I'm getting weekly report from the coach that how my kid is progressing, so I'm really happy. And that makes my daughter also happy, like she can see, okay, mama, I achieved that many points. And things that have like some virtual medal and all that, so that makes kids happy. Yeah, so I really like that about Minstrel. My daughter's coach is Miss Pooja, and she really liked her. So first I enrolled her in silver plan, which is like once in a month, 30 minutes tutoring. Then I saw the improvement in my kids' maths and achievements. Then I enrolled her to Gold, which is like twice a month, 30-minute session. And now she's in platinum. If you would have more, I would definitely like to enroll her in more, but that was the best one. So I enrolled her in that. So she really love the coach. What I like, sometime I used to hear when her coach is going through the 30 minutes session. So she goes to each and every errors what my daughter is making, where she's stuck, and she speak with her like, why you are taking this approach. Do you think a better way to solve this? This is very time taking. Don't you think if you can multiply by this, it would make better? So at that time I hear like my daughter was, oh, you're right. So she was like very, she knows how to interact with kid, and how to a really coach kid, and she is like, if she knows each and everything about my daughter, where she's stuck, so she gives the assignment according to that. If she likes a certain area, like right now I think she's doing some fractions or something like that. Or she gives, like, if something she is stuck, or she gives more assignment on that. She is not just okay, just go through. She's doing 2 4 and like, okay, let's move on. No, she never does that, and she explained a lot. Even after that, sometimes she texts me and she send the, she sent the screenshot also. Alicia was asking me, sorry, I did not have time that time, so she sent me the screenshot how to, resolve that problem. I was really happy. And she, whenever I ask her, hey Pooja, I want to speak with you like 5 10 minutes, she always texts me back, okay, let's speak tomorrow morning. So 5 10 minutes, she explained where Alicia is, my daughter is, and her each and everything. So I really, really like her. I really like her. I don't want to say. She went to the vacation sometime in I think summer, but I was waiting to, for her to come back. I don't want to, change her. I really like coach, and my daughter is happy as well. So many of my neighbors, they all the kids are going like same grade, like fourth, fifth, just same age of my daughter, and everybody is looking something after the school, like some practice for maths, some, because kids are doing nothing after the school, so all the parents want that. Few of them sent to Kumon, and they were also not happy, and like the same thing, like it's very repetitive, and they just want to follow this certain pattern. I want the, if you should work to according to the kid. If the kid is want to take challenge, want to take more, want to do more, give her the opportunity or give him the opportunity to do more. That you cannot just follow a certain, pattern. So I always, when they ask, okay, where are you sending Alicia, I'm happily say, I'm not going and sending it anywhere. I am having a coaching session in my home itself. I'm really happy. I tell always about the coach. She's very, very nice, and she, whatever Alicia, my daughter is doing, you can, see. She can see that screen sharing, how, where she's stuck, where she's not. In other learning center, parents drop the kids and come by, or just wait outside. They don't know inside what the coach is teaching them, and what they are stuck on. And honestly, the coach is not one to one on any center. I have been 2 3 more. I don't want to take name, but like one to one is nothing. I've never found in anyone. So that thing I really recommend. And yeah, 2 3 of them joined the also. They tried the trial classes, and they said that it's really great. So I really love Thinkster, first of all, because my daughter loves that. She's happy, so being a parent, I am also happy. Being a mom, I'm really happy. When I see her doing maths and simultaneously she's happy, so I'm really happy. And the few things like, you can see the exactly the thing, like see the progress, that where your kid is, which that thing you cannot see in other center. You can go, you can talk to um, uh, coaches, and that is not also always possible to, talk to coaches every time. Here you can see weekly report where your kid stand, what your kid is doing, what he or she achieved, where is she, stuck, or how many assignments they are doing, if they're liking or not liking. And the good thing is, very important for me, and I think definitely the parents who are working, is like, you don't have to go anywhere to drop and pick your kid. Your kid is doing maths in front of you. And the good thing I forgot to mention is that, like, if a kid is stuck on any assignment or any program sums, Thinkster might have very nice tutorial. They can just click. They did wrong. They can click, and like few minutes of tutorial. And it's not one. They Thinkster might have like multiple tutorials. I have seen that, like, you can solve in that way. You can solve in that way. That really helps to, you know the kids who are independent and want to learn. My daughter barely comes to me that okay, I don't understand. After the tutorial also I don't understand, though her coach goes through all the mistakes up still. But I mean, after watching those tutorials she is able to get it like that. So things and matters the kids, for you, for the kids who want to take challenges, for the kids who want to excel in math. That's a very competitive world, and we cannot just only rely on the school and just kids are coming back and doing nothing. Yeah, that's uh, that's it. The good thing is like they learn how to, they should learn how to do maths and like within time frame. It's not like most of the schools here, they teach and they want kids to show step by step. And honestly, in the real world everything is time based. If you show that step by step, that's not going to help for sure. So yeah, and like in India, I have few relatives. They have like hibiscus or something. They do mental math or something. That's why, because it's like in the real competitions and those kind of Olympiad, that's everything is time based. So that I really like that things might have a different tutorial where she can, and Coach Pooja also tell, do you think that it's a efficient way to do that? Then my daughter instant, react, oh, I can do like this also. So I really like that thing. I really want it.